Great Comfort Foundation is a platform where children of all ages learn the basic knowledge of all aspects of life's journey. Academics, life skills, social life, finances, and many more. Join us today and learn more.
Hey little friends! Today we're going to talk about something super cool. It's called Patriots Day. It's a special day where we cheer for brave people who help us and make our country awesome. Are we ready? Yes! Patriots Day is a big cheer for heroes who keep us safe and healthy. It's a day full of smiles and good feelings. We have super cool heroes who wear uniforms like police officers and firefighters. They're like real-life superheroes and we can always count on them. Who wants to be a police officer and firefighter? You? Wow, that's nice. Let's move on. Now, look at this colorful flag with red, white, and blue. Yes, it's like a beautiful rainbow that stands for bravery, purity, and loyalty. On Patriots Day, there are awesome parades with music and people waving flags. It's like a big party with everyone clapping and having fun. Sometimes we have a quiet moment to think about our heroes. It's like a little pause to say thank you and feel grateful in our hearts. Patriots Day is also about being kind and helping our friends. Just like superheroes, we can be little heroes by sharing and caring for each other. Oh, guess what? We get to enjoy tasty treats like cupcakes or cookies in the colors of our flag. It's a yummy way to celebrate. Patriots Day is about loving our home, the United States. We live in a special place with lots of friends and happy moments. So, little pals, on Patriots Day, we celebrate heroes, kindness, and our wonderful country. It's like a big hug. Let's always be little heroes in our own special ways. See you next time.
Like and subscribe for more of our videos. Thank you.